is a city that pulsates with energy, innovation, and style. It's a city that seamlessly blends ancient traditions with modern trends. Seoul is a shopper's paradise, offering everything from luxury brands to independent boutiques. Get ready to discover hidden gems and indulge in retail therapy like never before. Seoul's shopping scene is an experience in itself, reflecting the city's dynamic spirit and unique charm. From high-end department stores to underground shopping malls, Seoul has it all. The city's fashion scene is at the forefront of global trends, with Korean designers making waves internationally. Whether you're a seasoned shopper or just looking for a unique souvenir, Seoul's shopping streets will captivate your senses. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer variety and quality of goods on offer. Nestled in the heart of Seoul, Myeongdong Shopping Street is a shopper's paradise, a place where dreams of retail therapy come to life. It's a bustling hub of activity, where fashion, food, and entertainment collide in a vibrant tapestry of experiences. Myeongdong is a sensory overload in the best possible way, with bright lights, enticing aromas, and a constant buzz of excitement that never seems to fade. This iconic street is a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the energy and diversity of Seoul's shopping scene, offering something for everyone. As you navigate the crowded streets, you'll be greeted by a kaleidoscope of colors and sounds, each corner revealing a new surprise. Street vendors hawk their wares, from trendy accessories to unique souvenirs. K-pop music fills the air, creating an infectious rhythm that makes you want to dance along, and the aroma of street food tantalizes your taste buds, offering a culinary adventure with every bite. Myeongdong is a place where you can easily spend hours browsing the latest fashion trends, sampling delicious treats from various vendors, and soaking up the vibrant atmosphere that is both electric and inviting. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left the bustling streets, a memory of a place where shopping dreams truly come true. Myeongdong is a fashionista's dream come true, offering an eclectic mix of styles to suit every taste and budget. This bustling shopping district is a paradise for those who love to explore the latest trends and timeless classics. From trendy streetwear to chic designer boutiques, you'll find it all here. The variety is astounding, with each store offering something unique, ensuring that every visit feels like a new adventure. Korean fashion is known for its unique blend of edgy and sophisticated, and Myeongdong is the perfect place to update your wardrobe with the latest trends. The innovative designs and high-quality materials make Korean fashion stand out on the global stage. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or everyday essentials, Myeongdong's fashion scene has something for everyone. Accessories, shoes, and bags are also plentiful, allowing you to complete your look with ease. For those seeking a taste of traditional Korean fashion, Myeongdong doesn't disappoint. The area is home to several stores that specialize in hanboks, the traditional Korean attire. Beautiful hanboks, the traditional Korean attire, can be found in select stores, offering a glimpse into Korea's rich cultural heritage. These garments are often intricately designed and come in a variety of colors and patterns. You can even try on a hanbok and capture stunning photos in this iconic Korean garment. It's a wonderful way to immerse yourself in the culture and create lasting memories. Myeongdong's fashion scene is a testament to Korea's ability to seamlessly blend tradition and modernity. The juxtaposition of contemporary and traditional styles creates a vibrant and dynamic shopping experience that is truly unique. Myeongdong is a haven for beauty enthusiasts, renowned for its abundance of Korean cosmetic stores. Korean beauty products have taken the world by storm, and Myeongdong is the epicenter of this skincare and makeup revolution. From innovative sheet masks to cult favorite BB creams, you'll find an overwhelming array of products to address every skincare concern imaginable. Prepare to be pampered and discover your new beauty must-haves in Myeongdong. The best part? Many stores offer free samples, allowing you to try before you buy. Consult with knowledgeable staff who can guide you through the latest trends and recommend products tailored to your skin type. Myeongdong's beauty scene is not just about shopping. It's an immersive experience that allows you to discover the secrets to flawless Korean skin. Section 5. Street Food Sensations, a Culinary Adventure. No trip to Myeongdong is complete without indulging in its legendary street food. The bustling streets are lined with vendors offering a variety of mouth-watering delights. The aroma of sizzling meats, spicy stews, and sweet treats wafts through the air, tempting your taste buds at every corner. Each vendor has their own specialty, making every stop a new experience. From classic Korean dishes to international favorites with a Korean twist, Myeongdong street food scene is a culinary adventure in itself. You can find everything from traditional kimchi to fusion tacos. Be sure to come hungry and ready to sample a variety of flavors. The sheer diversity of options ensures that there is something for everyone, no matter your taste preferences. Some must-try street food items include tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes, kimbap, Korean seaweed rice rolls, and hotteok, sweet Korean pancakes. These dishes are not only delicious but also offer a glimpse into Korean culture. For the more adventurous eaters, there are skewered meats, fried squid, and other unique delicacies to discover. Each bite is an adventure, offering new textures and flavors. Grab a snack on the go or find a spot to sit and savor the flavors of Myeongdong's vibrant street food scene. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, Myeongdong street food will not disappoint. Section 6. Culinary Delights. From casual bites to fine dining. Beyond its street food offerings, Myeongdong boasts a diverse culinary landscape, catering to every taste and budget. From casual eateries to upscale restaurants, you'll find a plethora of options to satisfy your cravings. Whether you're in the mood for traditional Korean barbecue, comforting stews, or international cuisine, Myeongdong has something to please every palate. For a taste of authentic Korean cuisine, try bibimbap, a colorful dish of rice, vegetables, and meat, or kimchi jjigae, a spicy and flavorful kimchi stew. If you're looking for something more familiar, there are plenty of international restaurants serving everything from pizza and pasta to sushi and burgers. No matter your preference, Myeongdong's dining scene is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Section 7. Exploring beyond shopping cultural gems nearby. While Myeongdong is undoubtedly a shopper's paradise, it's also surrounded by cultural gems waiting to be explored. Take a break from the bustling streets and discover the historical and artistic side of this vibrant district. From ancient palaces to contemporary art galleries, there's something to pique every interest. Just a short walk from Myeongdong is the Namsan Hanok Village, a beautifully preserved traditional Korean village. Here, you can step back in time and wander through charming alleyways lined with hanok houses, traditional Korean architecture. The village often hosts cultural events and performances, offering a glimpse into Korea's rich heritage. Section 8. Nighttime Magic. Myeongdong After Dark. As the sun sets, Myeongdong transforms into a magical wonderland, illuminated by a kaleidoscope of neon lights. The energy levels soar as street performers emerge, music fills the air, and the crowds swell. Myeongdong's nightlife is an experience in itself, offering a glimpse into the city's vibrant after-hours scene. The streets come alive with street food vendors, their stalls bathed in warm light. The aroma of sizzling meats and spicy stews mingles with the sweet scent of hotteok, creating a sensory overload that's impossible to resist. Whether you're looking for a late-night snack, a unique shopping experience, or simply want to soak up the electric atmosphere, Myeongdong After Dark is an unforgettable experience. Section 9. Tips for navigating the Myeongdong maze. Navigating the bustling streets of Myeongdong can be overwhelming, especially for first-time visitors. Here are a few tips to help you make the most of your Myeongdong shopping spree. Wear comfortable shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking, so comfortable footwear is essential. Bring cash. While many stores accept credit cards, street food vendors and smaller shops may only accept cash. Don't be afraid to bargain. Bargaining is common in Myeongdong, especially at street stalls. Pace yourself. There's so much to see and do in Myeongdong, so take your time and don't try to do it all at once. Most importantly, have fun. Myeongdong is a vibrant and exciting place, so relax, embrace the chaos, and enjoy the experience. Section 10. Myeongdong Moments. Creating lasting memories. Myeongdong is more than just a shopping destination. It's a place where memories are made. Whether you're indulging in retail therapy, savoring delicious street food, or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, Myeongdong offers countless opportunities to create lasting memories. Capture the moment with a selfie in front of a colorful street art mural, share a laugh with friends over a plate of tteokbokki, or simply wander the streets and let the energy of Myeongdong wash over you. These are the moments that will stay with you long after you've left the bustling streets of Myeongdong. Section 11. A must-visit destination, Your Seoul shopping spree awaits. Myeongdong Shopping Street is a must-visit destination for any traveler to Seoul. It's a place where you can experience the city's vibrant energy, indulge in retail therapy, and savor the flavors of Korean cuisine. From trendy fashion finds to innovative beauty products, Myeongdong has something to offer everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Seoul shopping spree today and discover the